This is Tim here from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not working on your Android phone. So this is very easy to do. Now if you still have access to the app, go to the top right and go to settings right here and go on down to chats. Down under chats there's an option to back up our chats and messages. Let's click this now. So the next time we download the application and install it, we'll get a little pop-up that says, do you want to restore your chats? If you have it backed up right here, we can delete the application and then we'll still have all our messages. So make sure it's backed up right here. Then also we can go to the top right and then let's go down to settings. Scroll on down to where it says apps under here and then locate WhatsApp. So let's go to apps, go to see all, and let's find it at the bottom. So we can see WhatsApp somewhere under here. So here it is. We can force stop it. And then we can go to storage, and we could try clearing the cache, see if that works. If it doesn't work, we can go to clear storage right here, and this should clear the storage for that specific app. So we can go to that. Now, what we can also do is completely just delete the app. So we can go over to the top now and uninstall it. You could keep the data too if you want. You can uninstall it right there. Go back to the Google Play Store. Go to WhatsApp. And then we can just sign in. So let's go to download or install right here, and we can just try this out now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.